Okay, let's talk about one of the biggest deceptions in fitness. I mean, if you've been putting in the work on your core and you're just not seeing the results you want, this is for you.
You're doing everything you're supposed to, right? You're doing the crunches, the sit-ups, but you still have that frustrating puffiness. You feel stressed out, and the mirror just isn't showing the effort you're putting in. If that sounds familiar, believe me, you are in exactly the right place.
So, first things first, we need to completely tear down a huge fitness myth. I'm telling you, this one piece of bad advice has been holding so many of us back for years. For decades, we've been told that sit-ups are the gold standard for a strong core. But here's the truth. They're one of the least effective things you can do. They put a ton of strain on your neck and your spine, and worse, they only work those surface six-pack muscles. They completely ignore the deep core muscles that actually give you real stability and strength.
But here's the real aha moment. The problem isn't just about the exercises you're doing. It's really about what's happening inside your body that's stopping you from seeing any real change. These are the real enemies, the things working against you. We're talking about chronic, low-grade inflammation, those sky-high stress levels that are just pumping cortisol through your system, poor gut health that causes constant bloating, and a body that's just not recovering properly from your workouts. It's these internal battles that are keeping you from seeing those external results. I mean, this says it all, doesn't it? You would never try to build a strong house on a shaky foundation. Well, your internal health is that foundation. And if it's weak, it doesn't matter how many reps you do, you're never going to get the strong core you're working for. So what do we do about it? Well, it's a two-part solution. And first, we have got to fix the external training. We need to train smarter, not just harder. So forget the sit-ups. Seriously, these three moves are your new best friends. The plank, it builds true stability and endurance. Then you've got the dead bug. This one teaches your body control and coordination, which is so key for protecting your back. And finally, the Pallof press, which develops anti-rotation strength. That's probably the most important job your core actually has. Okay, so that's the outside work. Now for part two, which you could argue is even more important, we have to address that shaky foundation inside your body. This is all about creating an internal environment where your body can actually thrive. A simple daily ritual, something like taking a high-quality black seed oil, can really help your body manage that inflammation and support your recovery process. And that's absolutely essential if you want to see results. And that's really the whole point. This isn't about some magic pill. It's about giving your body the support it needs to handle those hidden stressors we talked about. Because when you do that, all the hard work you're putting in with your smarter core training, it can finally actually pay off. Okay, but listen up. If you're going to add something like black seed oil to your routine, there is one critical piece of information you have to know. Almost nobody talks about this, and it makes all the difference in the world. First off, don't fall for that old myth that darker oil is stronger. It's just not true. The real measure of potency is the percentage of its active compound thymoquinone, or TQ for short. That's the only number you need to pay attention to. But here's the real shocker. Even if you go out and buy the highest quality, highest TQ oil on the market, your body typically only absorbs about 20 to 30% of it. The rest, it's just wasted. Which, of course, leads to the most important question of all. How in the world do you unlock that other 70+% and actually get the full benefit from what you're taking? This is where we turn all this info into real action. Here is your game plan to take back control of your results, and you can start today. Okay, here's your 7-day action plan. It's super simple. Number 1, swap those useless sit-ups for 2 of the smarter core moves we just covered. Number 2, start that daily wellness ritual to support your body's recovery. And number 3, get my free absorption guide so you can unlock the full benefits. In it, you'll learn simple tricks like something I call the fat sandwich method that can instantly boost how much your body absorbs. And to get it, all you have to do is comment CoreFix down below, and I will send you the free thymoquinone booster guide right away. It's time to stop wasting your effort and start seeing the results you actually deserve, from the inside out. Go ahead, comment CoreFix now.